Guys, just wanted to welcome you back for another video, and today is July 1st, which means it is the next installment of the upcoming Cutesy Treasures. And this month is featuring Michelle's selection for Casper the cat and his little cat toys, two different kinds of fishes. And Miss Julia, Julia McNeill, she picked the bee and a purse. So up front we have Michelle's choice. As you see, we got Casper the cat cut-aparts, and that goes with the green background, and then some fish toys goes with the gray background. It's like gray floorboards is what it looks like. And again, that was Casper the cat with his little cat toys. And then Julia had selected the bee, and I love how the way that the ephemera got paired with the background papers. The bee goes with the more blue background, and the blue purse goes more with the yellow background, and super, super cute. I don't think the bee has a name, so I'm just calling it Julia Bee. And again, you see this fun kind of a leaf pattern overlaid with some colors, and it's repeated with the yellow in a variety of like dark yellows or like light oranges and stuff like that. So very, very adorable collection. All of the options for printing or a digital version is available and up on the website. So if you want to go check that out, you can go visit www.shinysilvertreasures.com. And like I said, every option that you would need information on should be up and running on the website since today's release day. So if you need to stop here, go take a look and check it out, feel free. In my sneak peek, if you've caught it, you will see that I did a quick card featuring Casper the cat. Absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, I love cats. And then for today's project, I'm just making a super quick card featuring Julia B and her little purse because I think she's ready to go shopping. Anywho, all right, I'm not going to get too much. I don't really have too much more information. Like I said, all the links that you need for Dawn, the website and everything will be down in the description box below per usual, but everything that you need in terms of purchasing options is listed up on the website, so definitely go check that out. If you do have any questions, you can always tag Dawn at shinysilvertreasures@gmail.com, or there is a contact spot on her website if you want to tag her there. And also don't forget to sign up for her email coming from her website that will list anything that's coming up for sale or is currently on sale, or it's featuring new products and stuff like that. So definitely always stay in the know by signing up for the email. And I think that is all I got, so I'm going to do the normal. And again, we are celebrating Michelle and Julia's choices with Casper the cat for Michelle and Julia B for Julia. And I'm going to tip the rest of this to music. So hopefully you guys, as always, are crafting along. If not, you're always welcome to just hang out, enjoy the music, and watch the process. I kept this card really, really simple. Just did a few layers. I wanted to break up the background. I liked the way the blue looked on top of the yellow, but I broke it up with some faded gold metallic style paper. It's a little bit more muted. I didn't want anything too shiny. So I just did the main background is that really pretty yellow, and here you see I'm trimming up the muted gold, and I just layer that in between the two. But before I attached that blue layer, to kind of play into the highlights of green in that yellow page, I did a small bit of wire wrapping around that top blue layer. And then you see I came in and positioned the ephemera pieces with Julia B and her purse on top. And then I have been doing a little bit of stash busting with sentiment strips or cut-aparts that I've had on my desk forever. So I came in with I think it's a Best Wishes that I thought looked good because it had the white border, the same as the ephemera pieces. I thought that one would work out best. So, like I said, super simple, super quick, just doing the layers. I primarily work on a 4.25 4 4 1/4 by 5.5, which is the A2 size card bases. So I kind of start there and go up. The bottom panel, if you're interested, I cut it to 4 and 5 1/4. Then the next layer, I would just take it down like 1/4 inch from there until the final layer, I believe, was 3.5 by 4 3/4, something like that. I can remember what I'm doing as I'm doing it, but coming back to explain it sometimes I can't always remember. But that's approximately what it is for the layers. So just the biggest background layer was the yellow, and then I worked my way up to that top layer with the really pretty blue. And that's about it for technique. So like I said, super quick, super simple. Wanted to feature Julia B because absolutely adorable. Love it. Probably as much because, one, it's not a real bee. Got a little bit of issues being around real ones, but I'll take the paper cutesy ones any day. So today I was featuring Julia, and yes, the sneak peek one that I did was featuring Casper. So stay tuned. I will have more projects coming up. I'm slowly but surely getting my schedule caught back up, so definitely stay tuned for some more features giving you some inspiration. And as always, please don't forget to go check out the links to Dawn and all the other gals on the design team. They have, as always, I know I say this and I sound repetitive, but it is true, all the amazing stuff that these guys do. It is so fun seeing what they make. And I say it also a lot, we are all different, even using the same supplies, and that is just what makes it awesome being part of this team. So ladies, hats off, you guys are freaking amazing. So all right, take care, you guys, stay safe, and I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. See you later. Stars and the moon alone.
La